Has your body forgotten how to use carbs? In this video, I'll discuss an important topic most nutritionists don't talk about: glucose intolerance. Hi, my name is Lesya, and if you're a professional woman who wants to shed fat and feel amazing, you've come to the right place. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from me. Okay, picture this. You're at a glamorous party, dressed to the nines, feeling confident and ready to conquer the world. You take a bite of that mouth-watering pasta dish or indulge in a slice of cake, only to find yourself feeling bloated, sluggish, and exhausted. Sound familiar? Well, my friend, it might be a sign that your body has forgotten how to use carbs efficiently. Today, we're going to uncover what glucose intolerance is, why it happens, and what signs to look out for. I'll give you the keys to reclaiming your energy and shedding that unwanted fat while enjoying carbs. Before we jump into the signs, let's take a moment to understand what glucose intolerance is all about and why it happens. Glucose intolerance, also known as carbohydrate intolerance, is a condition where your body struggles to efficiently process carbohydrates, specifically glucose, which is the primary sugar derived from carbs. This can lead to disrupted blood sugar levels and various negative effects on our health and well-being. Glucose intolerance is like a roadblock on the highway of energy production. Just like a car needs fuel to run smoothly, our bodies rely on glucose as the fuel for energy. However, when glucose intolerance occurs, it's like having a faulty fuel pump that hinders the smooth flow of energy production. The result? Your body struggles to make the most out of the carbs you consume, leading to unpleasant symptoms and difficulties in shedding extra weight. So how does glucose intolerance happen? To understand how glucose intolerance can occur, let's imagine a bustling city with various receptors acting as gatekeepers at the entrance of every building. These receptors are like keyholes, waiting for the right key to unlock the door and allow the glucose to enter the cells. However, when the body is chronically deprived of glucose due to a low-carb or ketogenic diet, it's as if the city council decides to turn off some of these receptors, making it challenging for the glucose to gain entry into the cell. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Investigation examined the impact of long-term carbohydrate diets on glucose tolerance. The researchers found that prolonged restriction of carbohydrate intake led to a decrease in the expression and activity of glucose transporters in the cells. These transporters, known as GLUT4, play a crucial role in facilitating the entry of glucose into the cells. When their activity is reduced, it becomes more difficult for the cells to effectively use glucose as an energy source. Imagine your body as a train system, with glucose as the primary fuel. In a balanced and well-functioning system, the train smoothly transports glucose to its various destinations, the cells that need energy. However, when you embark on a long-term low-carb or ketogenic journey, it's as if the train tracks led the cells to becoming rusty and forgotten. Here's the crucial thing to remember. Balance is key. Just like an orchestra needs a delicate interplay between different instruments to create beautiful music, our bodies require a balance of nutrients to function optimally. While low-carb and ketogenic diets can have their benefits, it's essential to ensure that we don't disrupt the symphony of glucose metabolism in our bodies. So how do you know if you're glucose intolerant? Here are the top signs to look out for. Sign number 1 is feeling bloated. Have you ever noticed that after a carb-heavy meal, your stomach feels like a balloon ready to burst? Well, that uncomfortable bloating can be a red flag indicating glucose intolerance. It's like your digestive system is playing host to an unruly party where carbs are the uninvited guests, causing chaos. According to a study published, individuals with glucose intolerance often experience increased gas production and bloating after consuming carbs due to their inefficient digestion and fermentation in the gut. Imagine your digestive system as a city with different workers responsible for various tasks. In this case, carbs are like uninvited guests, crashing the party, causing chaos and discomfort for your hard-working gut workers. By identifying this bloating as a sign of glucose intolerance, you can take control and restore harmony in your digestive city. Sign number 2 is weight gain. Let's get real about weight gain. You work hard to maintain a healthy lifestyle, but if you notice the scale creeping up after consuming carbs, it might be a sign of glucose intolerance. It's like pouring fuel into a tank with a faulty valve. It spills over and creates a mess, resulting in weight gain and a frustrating battle with the scale. According to a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, individuals with glucose intolerance are more likely to store excess carbs as fat, leading to weight gain and a constant struggle to shed those extra pounds. In a groundbreaking study conducted by researchers at Harvard Medical School, participants with glucose intolerance showed a significant increase in fat storage compared to those with normal glucose metabolism. It's like your body's storage system has gone to overdrive, packing away carbs as fat instead of efficiently using them for energy. By addressing glucose intolerance, you can regain control of your body's fuel management system and put the end to that frustrating weight gain. Sign number 3, fatigue and low energy. Feeling tired and drained after eating carbs is something many of us can relate to. If you find yourself needing a nap or a caffeine fix after a carb-heavy meal, it's a clear sign of glucose intolerance. It's like trying to power a high-performance machine with low-quality fuel. It sputters and struggles to keep up, leaving you feeling exhausted. According to a study published in the Journal of Clinical Investigation, individuals with glucose intolerance experienced impaired glucose utilization, leading to lower energy levels and increased fatigue. Sign number 4, gastrointestinal issues or GI issues. The dreaded GI issues. They can throw a wrench into anyone's day. If you frequently experience bloating, gas, diarrhea, or constipation after consuming carbs, it's another telltale sign of glucose intolerance. It's like having a misaligned cog in a well-oiled machine. It disrupts the smooth operation and leads to discomfort. According to a study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition, glucose intolerance can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria and contribute to GI symptoms. Researchers have found that glucose intolerance can lead to an imbalance in the gut microbiome, causing inflammation and disturbances in the digestive system. This imbalance can result in a range of GI issues, such as bloating, gas, diarrhea, or constipation. It's like having an unruly crowd at a party. Things get messy and the whole system goes out of whack. By addressing your glucose intolerance, you can regain control of your digestive system and bid farewell to those embarrassing and inconvenient GI issues. Sign number 5, imbalanced blood sugar. Imagine your body as a well-oiled machine, with blood sugar levels acting as the fuel that keeps everything running smoothly. But what happens when the fuel supply becomes erratic and imbalanced? It's like trying to drive a car with a lead foot on the gas pedal and no control over the brakes. It's a recipe for disaster. Think of blood sugar as the conductor of an orchestra, responsible for maintaining harmony and balance. It regulates the flow of energy to different parts of the body, ensuring they receive the fuel they need. However, when glucose intolerance sets in, it's like the conductor loses their baton and chaos ensues. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism examined the relationship between glucose intolerance and imbalanced blood sugar levels. The researchers found that individuals with glucose intolerance often experience abnormal blood sugar fluctuations characterized by high post-meal blood sugar spikes and delayed return to baseline levels. These imbalances can lead to symptoms such as fatigue, difficulty concentrating, and even an increased risk of developing chronic conditions like diabetes. Now that we have discussed the signs and causes of glucose intolerance, I want to share a powerful strategy to reverse these symptoms and reclaim your body's ability to use carbs efficiently. We're talking about carb cycling. Think of carb cycling as the training wheels on a bicycle. When you're first learning to ride, the training wheels provide stability and support. Carb cycling acts as a supportive framework to help your body relearn how to use carbs efficiently and reverse the symptoms of glucose intolerance. It provides a gradual reintroduction of carbs, allowing your body to adapt and improve its ability to process glucose effectively. If you're ready to take the next step on your journey to reverse glucose intolerance and unlock the power of carb cycling, I invite you to join my free training on how to effectively carb cycle on a ketogenic diet. In this training, I'll share in-depth strategies and tips to help you implement carb cycling successfully and regain control over your body's carb utilization. To access this exclusive training, simply click the link in the description box below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your relationship with carbs and reclaim your energy and vitality. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and share it with your friends who might benefit from this knowledge. As always, stay tuned for more empowering content and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.